How to best use color association to improve memory. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to remember things effortlessly? One simple yet effective method is color association. This technique can significantly boost memory retention by linking specific colors to information, making it easier to recall later. Let's break down how to use color association effectively, especially when studying or reading academic texts. First, it is essential to understand the basic principle behind color association. Assigning colors to different pieces of information creates visual cues. These cues stand out and activate areas of the brain that relate to attention and memory. This means that when you see a color, it can trigger the memory associated with it. Next, create meaningful associations. Instead of randomly picking colors, connect each one to a specific category. For example, you could use green for concepts related to growth, red for urgent facts, and blue for scientific data. This helps your brain form stronger links between the color and the information. Another effective method is to use color coding to organize your notes. Divide your study materials into categories and assign a consistent color to each. For instance, in history notes, you might use red to mark important events, blue for key figures, and yellow for dates. This system helps compartmentalize information, making it easier to retrieve related details during review. Combining color with visual aids can also enhance your notes. Adding colored symbols, diagrams, or arrows can make your study materials more engaging. For example, in biology, you could color-code parts of a diagram to differentiate functions. This visual layering reinforces memory by engaging multiple cognitive pathways. When using colors, pay attention to background and foreground colors. A white background with colored text or highlights improves readability. The contrast helps your brain focus better on the colored information, making it easier to remember. You can also rank and prioritize using colors. For example, red can flag urgent tasks or critical concepts, while softer colors can mark less urgent information. This ranking helps your brain prioritize what to remember first. Regularly reviewing and reinforcing your notes is vital for memory retention. Memory benefits from repetition, so revisit your color-coded notes often. Over time, the colors will trigger quicker recall of the linked information. Lastly, stay flexible and personalize your color associations. Not every color scheme works for everyone. Experiment with different colors and associations to find what best supports your memory. Adjust your system as needed to keep it effective. By applying these steps, color association becomes a practical study hack that improves memory retention and speeds up recall. It transforms abstract information into vivid, organized visuals that your brain can access more easily during exams or discussions.